So it's been a crazy past month. Not only has my Cybertruck been sideswiped by an uninsured motorist, but it then had someone try to get into it in that parking garage down in Florida. The next morning, 6 hours later, my wife's Model Y had someone try to get into it, checking the door handles in the middle of the night. And not even a week later, someone again, my wife's Model Y, they tried to open the door handles repeatedly at a restaurant, which was like 30 feet away, and had to come out and shoo them off. So I ordered some parts for my Cybertruck to repair it. The car that hit me lost its side mirror, it lost a bunch of plastic trim, and it lost a bunch of paint that I guess was on my truck that I was able to scrape off pretty easily afterwards. But it's definitely having a lot worse of a day than my Cybertruck is. So I immediately afterwards ordered a new trim piece and a new hubcap, or whatever they call it, aero core wheel insert or something. I've kind of been curious why the Cybertruck, being bulletproof stainless steel all the way around, has these kind of cheap plastic fenders on it. And I guess I'm kind of, new to the whole car repair game, because it totally makes sense. When you get hit, these things are going to take the damage. I guess it makes sense after the fact looking at it, but the plastic is here for a reason. It's kind of sacrificial. When a car hits this or something slams into this really hard, instead of repairing metal or having to, weld it out, look how easy this thing is to pop off and get the new piece on. Now, don't go around stealing people's trims, but you literally just grab it and pull. I guess yank, that's what I was told to do, yeah. And, the truck is disgusting because we've gotten a lot of snow. But look at that, there's just clips, it just pops in. So for 50 bucks online, I was able to get a new one. And they will ship it to you in a matter of days. It comes in a giant box, and it's just that easy. Now you have your part to replace it. This is totally user serviceable. I have no experience, nothing special with Tesla. You just tell them what part you need, and boom, they send it out to you. Kind of lined it up. Sorry about that charging flap, I didn't mean anything. Look at that, better than new. Okay, good as new. The hubcap equally is oh, there's the damage to it I was trying to show earlier. Pops right off, new one pops right on. So yeah, I think I'm incredibly happy with the ability to repair at home. This would have been, months of waiting if I was at, take it to a body shop or something and having to wait for parts to arrive and whatever, but just order it yourself, pop them off, pop them back on. Super happy with how quick and easy this is to repair. And yeah, that's about all I got. Don't go around stealing these trim pieces. There are, of course, cameras all over Teslas. They'll have your picture, your face will be all over the internet. Police will have a copy of it, but all you have to do is grab it and yank, and then, when you put it back on, because you're not stealing it, you just pop it back on, hit it a few times. So, hope that was useful, and yeah, that's all I got. So I'm watching all these cars cut in line ahead of me at this intersection. The right two lanes, the one I'm in, are going straight, and the left two lanes here are turn lanes. They're going to the front and cutting in front of us. I've been in line for about 8 minutes, and there we go, she just turns right into me for some reason. She leaves behind her hubcap, mirror, a bunch of little pieces, and then she kind of gives me this, hey, everything's okay kind of wave, and then just tries to drive off. Here we go. Okay, sorry, bye. To which I said, nope, and I pulled over behind her, and I was honking, you gotta pull over, we gotta exchange information here. She later said that she thought my truck looked like it was okay, and I'm like, I don't care if it's, not, dented and wrecked, you just slammed into me, we need to exchange information in case there's some issues later. So I examined her car, and she was missing a lot of paint. That spot wasn't there in the damage, or the video from before she hit me. So that whole patch missing, and her hubcap, and all the little pieces and stuff that are gone, that all happened during the incident. And unfortunately, my truck is probably totaled. There's a scratch of her paint left behind on it. So I'm going to file with insurance, just get a whole new one, I think. Hashtag wrecked. Man, I need a haircut really bad.